this is little Gio. He's just a couple of weeks old, a month old, yeah, and he's really hungry. So we're gonna do a little adjustment for him. Mommy's been adjusted all the way throughout her pregnancy. So I'm gonna put him out too. It's okay. Yes, do a little rub.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Did it go? Here. He's been latching fine?
Yeah. I mean, sometimes he goes crazy and whacks his head at the room. Yeah. And then sometimes he'll pull off and cry like this, but generally, yeah.
Okay. Yes.
There you go. That's your new friend. Yes. Say hi, Dr. J.
Look at his eyes.
Yeah, he's awake a lot.
Yeah.
You say hi to
He's
your
been
friend.
feeding a lot lately this last couple of weeks?
Yeah.
Or last couple of days?
Week, yeah.
Okay. Little dose for that 1 month. Let's check that.
You say hi to your
Okay.
friend.
Dr.
J.
I'm going to put you up on my shoulder. I'm going to check the rest of your little back here.
Oh, that's so nice. Doesn't that feel good? Oh, thank you. That feels so nice.
Oh my God. You're going to get to eat soon, Gio. Soon. I don't know. There's one right there.
Hi, honey. Mommy's going to feed you in 2 minutes. Doesn't that feel good what Dr. J is doing? Yes. He's helping you. Yes.
Has he been feeding better on one breast other than another? Is he good on both?
I think he's pretty good on both. I'm trying to think.
There's a little bit, we adjusted on this side right here, so there's a little bit of rotation, so his head was turned just a little bit that way.
To the
so
right.
So you feed better on the left breast then.
Okay.
Not necessarily. It just
yeah,
is
I
just
honestly probably has, but I don't know.
Sure.
Notice.
No,
I'm just like, are you eating? When can I sleep?
Yeah, so now we get this corrected. You can call.
Look how nice that is. Boo Boo, this is so nice. See? I told you he was your friend.
So it's just these light contacts to let the
it just relaxes his neck a little.
Position. Yeah, because if the atlas is moved just slightly out of position, the head can rotate, the latch won't be as good, but then once we get it back into position, then it just nice and relaxed.
Hi, honey. Now see, doesn't that feel so nice? See, food's not the only important thing in life. You can wait 15 minutes for food, right? And you get to give that. That feels so nice. Look, how cute.
Yeah, that's better, huh? That's better.
He looks so relaxed right now. Does it relax him?
Yeah.
Oh,
because
that's
anytime
so nice.
that's rotated off to the side, it slightly irritates the whole nervous system, so
oh,
they can
really?
get a little more
fussy?
agitated, fussy. It can affect stomach.
That's funny because he
digestion.
has had a little gas and he's been a little fussy.
These last couple of days.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good.
It started about at 4 weeks, and he's 5 weeks yesterday. So yeah, it started about 4 weeks, and he had some burps that are like, I mean, you'd think that he was a 300-pound man.
Yeah.
Seriously, I mean,
Well,
I'm like, where does this come from?
His whole system's getting booted up. He hasn't had to feed for himself. Only for these last couple of weeks, but let's check it one more last time. Come up here, yes.
I shouldn't laugh. It's funny the faces he makes when he cries.
Yeah. Hi.
Hi, honey.
There we go. Let's make sure that's safe.
Remember
There's
Dr.
Mommy.
Del Rey? That's his friend. You guys are all friends now. Yeah.
There we go. And the sacrum was totally clear, so everything that affects the constipation and the leg is all good.
Okay, he definitely is not constipated.
So. Okay. Good.
Kid poops more than
And
I
now that
ever
this
could
area
ever.
is clear, like his whole brain-body connection is just much more efficient.
Oh, good.
And his body now knows alignment is normal rather than
Yay.
not. And that's time for Mommy to eat.
That's it?
Yes, that's
Oh,
it.
that was good. Say thank
Awesome
you.
job.
So should I bring him once a week or how often should I
Let's
bring
follow
him?
up next week with him just to
Okay.
make sure that stays, and then we can
Okay.
set off a wellness thing. So
Okay.
that's a little baby adjustment for a little 4-week-old.
Let's go, boo-boos. This is so gentle.